Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss the next chapter, that is from geometry section, chapter number 14, polygons. So starting with the definitions of curve, open curve, closed curve and simple closed curve, we will discuss the definition of polygon. So let's start with the first definition, that is curve. What is a curve? A figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of sharp pencil without lifting it is called a curve. For example, I will start to draw a figure with the help of pencil and I will draw it without lifting the pencil, then it is a curve. Similarly, the another figure, that is also a curve. So figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of pencil without lifting it is called a curve, as I have drawn here. These are the figures. Those are called curve. Next, open curve. A curve that does not end at the starting point is called an open curve. Means if we traced out a figure on the plane surface which does not end at the starting point. For example, I start to draw a figure from here, from this point. Then I draw this figure and end it here. Then it is not ending at the starting point. So it is the example of an open curve. Similarly, this figure I will start from this point. Then I will draw. It is ending at this point. It is not ending at the starting point. So it is an example of an open curve. Similarly, this figure I will start to draw and ends here. So it is not ending at the starting point. So all these figures drawn here are the examples of open curve. Next is closed curve. A curve that begins and ends at the same point is called a closed curve. Means the curve that begins and ends at the same point from where it is started to draw. It is ending at the same point. For example, here I have drawn this first figure. I will start to draw from here. Then it is ending at the same point from where it is started. Similarly, I will start to draw this figure from this point. I will draw and it is ending at the same point. So all these 6 figures which are drawn here are the examples of the closed curve, because all the figures are ending at the same point from where it is started to draw. So these are called closed curve. Now next is their simple closed curve. A closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. Which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. In the above figures, first, second, third. First, second and third are simple closed curves, while 4, 5 and 6 are closed curves which are not simple. Why? Because if you are looking first, second and third, figures first, second and third are not intersecting itself at any point. But the figures 4, 5 and 6 are intersecting itself at this point. Figure 5 is intersecting itself at these points. And figure 6 is intersecting itself at these points. So figure 4, 5, 6 are closed curve, but not simple closed curve, as they are intersecting itself. So these all are the definition of curve, closed curve, open curve and simple closed curve. For the next topic, we continue with the next video. Hello students, with the continuation of the definitions curve, open curve, closed curve and simple closed curve, let's begin with the next definition, that is polygons. What are polygons? A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Means simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. For example, I have drawn 2 simple closed curve here, first and second. Out of these two, that is a polygon, but it is not a polygon because it is made up of line segment only, but it is not made up of line segments. So simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. Each straight line in a polygon is called its side. Like in this polygon, each straight line is called its side. A polygon is called a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon according as it contains 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 sides respectively. Means 3 sides polygon is known as triangle, 4 sides polygon is known as quadrilateral, 5 is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, 7 is heptagon, 8 is octagon, 9 is nonagon, 10 is decagon. So that is polygon. Now there are 2 types of polygons. First is concave polygon. A polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree is called a concave polygon. Means at least one angle should be more than 180 degree. For example, the figure drawn here. In this polygon ABCD, I have drawn a polygon in which the angle BCD is more than 180 degree. So this polygon is a concave polygon. Next is convex polygon. A polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree. Means no one angle is more than 180. All the angles are less than 180. Is called a convex polygon. So in the given figure, PQRS is a convex polygon. Here in this chapter, by a polygon we would mean a convex polygon only. So means when we will talk about the polygon in this chapter, so you should understand that is a convex polygon. Next, regular polygon. What are regular polygons? A polygon having all sides equal and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. Means a polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. Those polygons are called regular polygons. For example, an equilateral triangle and a square are examples of regular polygon. Because in equilateral triangles, all sides and all angles are equal. Similarly, in a square, all angles and all sides are equal. So it's the example of regular polygon. Irregular polygon. Polygons which are not regular are called irregular polygons. Means those polygons are not regular, those polygons will be known as irregular polygon. For example, a rectangle and a rhombus are examples of irregular polygons in which all sides are not equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal but all angles are not equal. So therefore those polygons are not regular. Those are called irregular polygons. That's all for today. We will continue with the next topic in the next video.